The most reliable way to program your RCA Universal Remote is through direct code entry. This method uses specific codes that correspond to your TV model. First, power on your RCA TV. The remote programming process requires the TV to be on and ready to receive signals. Next, you need to find the correct code for your RCA TV model. Check your remote's manual or visit an RCA Remote Code Finder website. Common RCA TV codes include 1004, 1005, 1006, and 1007. Now press and hold the TV button on your remote until the power light illuminates. This puts the remote into programming mode. Some remotes may have a setup button instead. While still holding the TV button, enter your 4-digit code using the number buttons on the remote. For example, if your code is 1004, press 1004 in sequence. Release the TV button and test your remote. Try the power button, volume controls, and channel buttons. If the remote doesn't work, try another code from your list. Remember these important tips. Use fresh batteries in your remote and maintain a clear line of sight between the remote and your TV. If the first code doesn't work, simply try the next code from your list. When direct code entry doesn't work, auto-programming lets your remote automatically search through codes until it finds the right one for your RCA TV. First, make sure your RCA TV is turned on and ready to receive signals from the remote. Next, enter auto-programming mode. You can either hold the TV and power buttons together until the light cycles on, off, then on again, or hold the code search button until the light turns on. Now aim the remote at your TV and repeatedly press the play or power button. The remote will automatically cycle through different codes. When your TV turns off or responds in some way, immediately press stop or setup to lock in that code. If auto-programming still doesn't work, here are the most common troubleshooting solutions. First, check your batteries. Weak or incorrectly installed batteries are the most common cause of remote programming failures. Use fresh AA batteries and make sure the positive and negative ends are correctly positioned. Ensure there's a clear line of sight between your remote and the TV. Remove any objects that might block the infrared signal and stay within about 30 feet of the television. If problems persist, try resetting the remote by removing the batteries and holding the number 1 button for 5 seconds. You can also try all the codes listed for your TV brand, unplug your TV for 60 seconds, or consider using a smartphone app as a virtual remote control.